Hey everyone, it's the Urban Window Farmer. Just giving you an update on the 3D printed pods for the Aerogarden. So I decided that this was going to be the last update for this series because I'm starting to notice that two of the plants aren't doing too well. So the Nasturtium looks like it's starting to wither, and also the cilantro, the leaves look like they're getting burnt. Maybe it's too much light. I don't know what it is, but it doesn't seem like it's doing very well. And the only one that's actually doing pretty well is the pepper plant on the right there. So that one seemed to thrive in this system, but I also noticed that it's also starting to wither a little bit. I'm thinking that this is probably not the best solution for plants. So I'm going to go ahead and end this experiment, and I'm going to take the Nasturtium, the cilantro, and try to recover them and put them in my garden outside, and also the pepper plant as well. I'm going to take them all out of their pods and just plant them in soil. So I'll probably be trying other experiments with this Aerogarden. So this was the soil experiment. I'll probably also try different growing mediums and see which one works the best. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.